Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. Actually, there is no much changes if you refer to my last analysis, because my last analysis, the price was within here and we see the price is dropping. Right now, still we can consider this one relative to this, and mostly we can look for one move up at least. All right, then how to look for trade? Either we look for the reversal as a short move flag, or we can put our entry above here. If the price drop and break the previous low, then we can put our entry above here. But at this point, we should put above the stop, above the previous one. And in that case, what we're looking for, in case the price reverses a sharp move, we want the price sharply tag, break, and continue. And with the breakout of the 52K, if it turns to a corrective move, we shouldn't keep the trade. At least if we want to keep the trade, at least move our stop loss to break even, because we want to see the continuation as a sharp move and we want to see the breakout of this zone. The reason is if we get one move up, we can look at this one as a flat. This is a correction in relative to this for the next drop. This is where we can look for sell. That's why if you get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And with the breakout of the previous top, if we see it turns to a sharp move, we see there is a continuation, we keep the trade. If not, because we mentioned we have to see the breakout of this one. If not, this is where we can look for sell. All right, similar to what we had here, we have been looking with the breakout of the previous top, the price couldn't continue. This is where we could look for sell, but I mentioned any sell is a short term. But if from now, if the price drop from here, for me, I'm not really interested to look for sell, because if I get one move up, and at that time, at that times, we refer to the indicator, and mostly we will have a divergence. And MACD we cannot refer. All right. Then from there, if we see the continuation, we can look for. I mean, we can keep the trade. If not, this is where we can look for sell. That means at this point, we're looking for buy. And if you get any opportunity for buy, the breakout of this zone is really important for us to confirm we are within the uptrend as a long term, because we're looking for the reversal based on daily chart. That's why I mentioned, right? The reason, I mean, what the trade we have been looking for is a reversal based on daily chart. This is what we're looking for. And we need to see the breakout of the 67,500, because with the breakout of the 67,500, we're looking for 74, following by 84, 81K. But from what we can see here, we can expect this one turn to a correction relative to this for next drop. And even we can expect the next drop to be a short term as a trade setup for continuation. All right. That's why if you want to look for buy, as what I explained based on 1 hour chart, we need to be really careful for the next drop. And in this case, we move to forward chart, and based on forward chart, based on 1 hour chart, we expect, as I explained, if the price drop, we just let it go. And similar to what I'm explaining based on forward chart, if the price drop from here, we just let it go. We are not really interested to look for sell. At this point, we are more interested to look for buy with one move up. Then with the breakout of the previous top, we will need to make a decision whether this is the one is going to break this soon, or we can expect this one turn to a flat as a first correction, one move up, then drop. And if we get any opportunity for sell with the breakout of the lowest price of this correction, this is the targets we can look for. All right. But anyway, to make it very simple, we're looking for buy. This is what we're looking for at this point. And how to look for trade, I explained based on 1 hour chart earlier. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.